In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view epics in a Kanban board in Jira. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, if you're not familiar with Jira, it's a popular tool used for project management, helping teams to track their work and optimize workflows. One of the features of Jira is the Kanban board, which allows you to visualize work in progress. Managing epics, large bodies of work that can be broken down into smaller tasks, can be a bit tricky, so knowing how to access them is crucial. To get started, the very first step is to log into your Jira account. You can find the login page by navigating to your company's Jira URL. Typically, the page looks fairly standard, asking for your email and password. Once you enter your details and gain access, you're ready to take the next step. Now that you're logged in, the next thing you want to do is click on your Kanban board project. You can usually find this on your dashboard or under a specific project section. The Kanban board is usually labeled with the project name and helps in managing tasks visually through various stages, such as to do, in progress, and done. Once you've opened your Kanban board, you'll want to look for the option that says Board. It's typically positioned at the top of the page. Clicking on this will open up additional functionalities connected to your board settings. This is an important step because it allows us greater control over how we view and manage our tasks, including epics. After clicking on Board, you then want to look for an option that says Group. This feature is quite helpful as it allows you to organize issues in your board more effectively. Once you click on Group, it'll often present you with several grouping options. At this juncture, you should see an option listed specifically for viewing epics. Click on that option. This step is critical because epics encompass larger projects or features within Jira. By selecting the epic filter, you start to reveal a more organized view of your tasks that are grouped under these larger themes. Now that you've selected the epic filter, you'll see how your tasks are organized within the context of larger epics. This allows for better oversight and management of how smaller tasks contribute to the larger goals of your project. You can click on any specific epic displayed to get further details or to manage tasks associated with that epic. If your Kanban board has a lot of tasks and information, using groups like epics can drastically improve your workflow. It helps every team member understand at a glance how their work contributes to the project's larger objectives. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively view and manage epics within your Kanban board in Jira. This process ensures that you're not only focused on completing tasks, but also aligned with your team's ultimate goals. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave them below. And remember, if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and happy managing with Jira!